If you could create scroll-stopping images, GIFs, and short videos in under 60 seconds without design skills, without expensive software, and without hiring anyone, would you try it? Today, I'm reviewing a brand new AI visual creation platform called Blyx Studio, and what you're about to see might replace half the tools you currently pay for. Here's the quick verdict before we go deeper. Blyx Studio is fast, simple, and surprisingly powerful. It combines AI image creation, GIF and video editing, background removal, upscaling, motion graphics, and a full template library all in one dashboard. If you create content for social media, ads, YouTube, blogs, or clients, this is one of the easiest tools I've tested so far. Blyx Studio is a browser-based AI design platform that helps beginners and marketers create high-quality visuals without needing design experience. You type a prompt, upload an image, or choose a template, and Blyx generates professional-level designs automatically. It's made for marketers, small business owners, social media managers, creators, and anyone who needs content fast. The biggest problem it solves is simple. Most people struggle with design. They struggle with tools like Photoshop, and they don't want to pay high monthly fees. Blyx removes all that friction. Within a minute, you can create ads, thumbnails, GIFs, banners, illustrations, social posts, and even animated visuals.
Welcome to Blyx Studio, the ultimate creative platform where every idea finds its perfect expression. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through our innovative suite of tools designed to empower creators like you. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, Blyx Studio is here to transform the way you bring your visions to life. Let's begin with our intuitive drag and drop builder. Imagine having the freedom to arrange every element of your project simply by moving it on the screen. With just a few clicks, you can place images, text, and interactive components wherever you desire. This builder is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing you to experiment, adjust, and perfect your design in real time. Whether you're crafting a website, designing a presentation, or building a digital poster, every component snaps perfectly into place, making the creative process both efficient and enjoyable. Next, let's explore our groundbreaking AI image creation tool. Picture this: you type in a few descriptive words, and within moments, the tool generates high-quality custom images that capture your vision exactly. This isn't about just finding stock images, it's about creating unique visuals that are tailored specifically to your project. The AI works like a creative partner, transforming simple prompts into vibrant artwork that elevates your design and communicates your message with clarity and style. Now, consider the power of color in design. The innovative color swap feature puts that power right at your fingertips. With a single click, you can instantly experiment with different color palettes, allowing you to adjust the mood and feel of your project on the fly. Whether you're looking to align with a brand's identity or simply want to explore the new creative directions this tool gives you, the freedom to see your design in a whole new light. It's the perfect solution for refining your work until every shade and hue is just right. But there's even more to Blyx Studio than these standout features. Our platform is equipped with an extensive library of customizable templates. These templates serve as a springboard for your creativity, providing you with a variety of starting points from modern, minimalistic designs to more elaborate and decorative layouts. Each template is fully editable, meaning you can tailor every detail to suit your unique style and project requirements. This feature not only saves you time, but also inspires new ideas by showing you fresh approaches to design. In addition to static designs, Blyx Studio brings your projects to life with powerful animation and editing tools. Imagine adding dynamic transitions, smooth motion effects, and interactive elements to engage your audience. Whether you're creating a marketing video, an animated infographic, or interactive presentation, these tools allow you to craft content that is dynamic and it is beautiful. The editing features are intuitive and robust, giving you the precision and creative control to refine every aspect of your project. Beyond the creative tools, Blyx Studio is built to integrate seamlessly into your workflow. The platform supports a wide range of export options, ensuring that your work is always ready for sharing, be it on social media, in print, or across digital platforms. This flexibility means that you can effortlessly transition from creation to publication, confident that your designs will look great no matter where they appear. At the heart of Blyx Studio is our commitment to making creativity accessible to anyone. We believe that every idea, no matter how big or small, has the potential to make an impact. Our platform is continuously evolving with new features and improvements added regularly based on user feedback and emerging design trends. This means that as you grow and explore your creative abilities, Blyx Studio grows with you, always offering fresh tools and capabilities to keep your work ahead of the curve. As you dive deeper into Blyx Studio, you'll discover a vibrant community of creators who share your passion for innovation and design. This community is a place to share ideas, gain inspiration, and collaborate with like-minded individuals. It's not just about the tools, it's about the creative spirit that drives every project and every idea to new heights. Thank you for taking the time to explore the best parts of Blyx Studio. Every great project starts with a spark of inspiration, and with Blyx Studio, that spark can ignite a world of possibilities. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, push the boundaries of design, and let Blyx Studio be your partner in turning dreams into reality. The future of creativity is here, and it's waiting for you to make your mark.
Now let's walk through the dashboard. This part is perfect for screen recording. Once you log in, you'll see the main workspace. At the top, you can choose whether to create an image, start a GIF or a short video, upload a file, or open a ready-made template. The image generator is straightforward. You type a prompt, choose the style, hit generate, and Blyx produces multiple variations. You can instantly upscale, recolor, erase objects, change backgrounds, extend scenes without painting, or create variations with one click. On the left panel, you'll find design elements like shapes, icons, frames, stock images from Pexels and Pixabay, and text tools with Google Fonts. If you move into the Animation tab, you can build GIFs and short promotional videos using drag-and-drop motion graphics. Everything loads fast and exports in high quality. For beginners, this workflow is smooth. For marketers, it saves a huge amount of time.
Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to create stunning professional visuals, but you're stuck with complicated tools or paying outrageous fees for software that you barely even use? What if you could generate high quality images, GIFs, and even short videos without learning clunky software, without hiring expensive designers, and without paying for features that you don't even use? Well, that's exactly what Blyx Studio does. We took the best features from 3 powerful design platforms and combined them into one AI-driven creative powerhouse so that you can create jaw-dropping content within just a few clicks. And the best part, you stay in control. We'll give you fresh credits every month so you're never paying for more than you actually need. Want even more control? Well, you can plug in your own AI API keys so you're only paying for what you use. You get pro-level content creation without the recurring software fees that bleed you dry. Now let's talk about what makes Blyx so powerful. Well, AI generation. Type in a simple prompt, click generate, and watch AI bring it to life in seconds. Outpaint. Ever had an image that didn't fit your design? Well, with Outpaint, you can extend your image beyond its borders whilst AI fills in the gaps seamlessly. AI background removal. Need a clean professional look? Well, you can remove backgrounds with one click. Perfect for ads, social media, and product images and more. Recolor. Want to change the colors in an image? Just type what you want and AI recolors it instantly. An erase tool. Made a mistake. Need to clean up an image? Just highlight an object and AI removes it instantly. Epic upscaling abilities. Need ultra high resolution images? Well, you can increase the quality 4 times without losing detail. And we're not just talking about static images. Let's talk GIFs and video images. And editing. Drag, drop, animate, and create eye-catching GIFs and short videos in seconds. Add text, overlays, transitions, and special effects effortlessly too. You can resize, crop, and format videos without complicated software. Turn simple ideas into viral-worthy content. Perfect for social media, websites, ads, and even selling on Fiverr or eBay and Etsy. So why choose Blyx? Because we put you in control. Cloud-based and secure login from anywhere, anytime. No bloated software or hidden fees, just AI-powered results at your fingertips. flexible pricing so you can use our monthly credits or plug in your own API keys for full control. And yes, you can make money with Blyx. Sell your designs, offer edits, create custom graphics for clients, and engage your own marketing efforts. Businesses, influencers, and brands need fresh content every day, and you can be the one providing it. Now, normally software with this much power comes with a hefty price tag, but today you can access it at an insanely low cost. And to make this a no-brainer, I'm throwing in some insane bonuses, over 50,000 premium images and AI prompts, so you never run out of ideas, with live training on how to use visuals to drive sales and engagement. This alone is worth more than the price of Blyx. Plus, we have AI assistance in there as well. But here's the catch. These bonuses won't last forever, so click below and start creating with Blyx Studio right now.
Blyx has several optional upgrades. These are completely optional, but they add extra value depending on your goals. Front end, Blyx Studio for $27. This includes the main software and AI tools. Upgrade 1 is Blyx Prime. You can choose a $12.95 monthly option or $67 yearly. There's also a $1 trial. This unlocks unlimited storage, unlimited credits, premium templates, and early access to new features. Upgrade 2 is Blyx Empower for $47. This is the agency and reseller package that lets you sell Blyx accounts, rebrand them, and keep 100% of the profits. You also get done-for-you marketing materials. Upgrade 3 is Blyx Edge for $37. This is an AI marketing toolkit with a content planner, prompt generator, and creative strategy assistant. Upgrade 4 is Blyx Amplify Training for $47. This is their traffic and social media growth system with templates, calendars, and optimization checklists. Choose the ones that match your workflow. The front end alone is enough for most creators. To make this even better, I'm including an exclusive bonus bundle for anyone who picks up Blyx Studio using the link below. You get all bonuses instantly inside your access area. Here are just 10 of them. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact, flexible slideshows that boost engagement and conversions on any site. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your website instantly and reduce bounce rates without technical work. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder and grow your list automatically. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside your emails and blog posts to increase urgency in sales. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. A proven method to boost your Google Ads conversions without raising your ad spend. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse existing sales pages across multiple funnels without rebuilding anything. Bonus 7, Action Poll. Segment your subscribers using polls to improve targeting and conversions. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Analyze keyword density and optimize articles for better rankings. Bonus 9, Slide Up Bar Plugin. A simple, attention-grabbing opt-in bar that boosts list building. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Fully pre-built blogs you can use for content, traffic, and lead generation. These are premium tools, and you'll receive them completely free when you get Blyx through the link in the description. Here's the final verdict. Blyx Studio is one of the easiest design tools released this year. If you want to create visuals faster, look more professional online, save money on designers, or sell visual content to clients, Blyx is worth grabbing. This launch price is temporary, and the bonus bundle is strictly limited. Once the timer runs out or the bonus slots are full, the package will be removed. Click the link below to secure Blyx Studio and instantly unlock all bonuses before they expire. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, comment below if you want a walkthrough tutorial, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your members area right after purchase. Check the link below to get started.